Hey everyone, so this would be an unboxing of the Asus E410K laptop. This is normally $350. Got mine on sale for actually $200 off, which is crazy. So it was only $150. I mean, that's more than half off from Best Buy today. So this is there's also a version that was only $110. They're all sold out of that one. But this is one of the cheapest laptops that is not a Chromebook you can buy from Best Buy. Already took off the tape, so we don't have to sit through that. So there is the laptop. We'll come back to that in a moment here. Then of course we have some paperwork, warranty information and whatnot, how to use it, all that good stuff. Let's see, and then over here we have the charger. Of course, it's a big block charger. Well, decent sized charger there. I think that is about it. Alright, then taking a look at the laptop itself. I mean, it looks like a laptop. Doesn't look cheap. Doesn't feel cheap. It's actually decently heavy. So ports here. So let's see. I think that would be for. Yeah, so you have your charger port, HDMI, USB, USB Type-C, which is cool. See on this cheap of a laptop. Headphone jack there. And the other side gives you one more USB as well, USB Type-A. And it looks like maybe an indicator for charging. The front actually does have a. Let's see if we can do this without. Nope, you have to do two hands. Open it on up. So what's really cool about these Asuses, so you have your numeric pad right here, number pad right here. So on bigger laptops you'd have it off to the side here. You actually have it on here by turning on and off with this button right there. Cool electric green looking enter button as well, which is quite nice. This actually has 180 degree lay flat. Not sure why you would use that, but it does have that in case you want to use that. Then this has an Intel Celeron processor in it. Now on their website, this is a bit disappointing. On Best Buy's website, their picture shows, I believe for this laptop, F7 having a backlit keyboard. This does not have a backlit keyboard, which is a bit disappointing. As I'm pretty sure it said on it was either this one or another cheap one from HP. It had the icon here. Keys don't feel too bad. Bit clicky. About what you would expect from this price range. Sorry to hit my camera. And then of course you have a front camera there as well for video chatting if you want to. Yeah, so there you go. Just a very quick unboxing, a quick look at the Asus, cheap Asus laptop. Yeah, stay tuned to my channel. We'll see if this can do Roblox. We'll see if it can do that. And we'll see how quick this guy is. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.